Shard. Experience the entire city like never before. Welcome to the View from the Shard, the premium visitor attraction located at the top of Western Europe's tallest building, the Shard. The Shard is designed by master architect Renzo Piano, who has redefined London's skyline and quickly established its place as a dynamic symbol of London. At a height of up to 800 feet or 244 meters, and at almost twice the height of any other vantage point in London, visitors will experience unrivaled 360-degree views over the city for up to 40 miles on a clear day. Begin your journey in an extraordinary high-speed lifts that carry you from level 1 to 68 in 60 seconds. Once there, enjoy spectacular panoramic views of the capital from level 69 observation deck whilst unwinding with a glass of champagne, or share a moment with a loved one spotting London's famous landmarks from an open-air sky deck on level 72, or exposed to the elements you can take in the atmosphere and sounds of the city below. Located moments from London Bridge and surrounded by the city's most notable attractions, the high life awaits you at the View from the Shard. To find out more, please visit www.theviewfromtheshard.com. Details in the description box below. Click the link after you've watched the whole video. The nearest underground station to the Shard is London Bridge Station, which is served by both the Silver Jubilee Line and the Black Northern Line.